Hey my dinos! How is everyone? I'm so glad everyone could join me again for a new worksheet. Did you know there aren't many qualities that are true of all life on Earth? But the need for water is one of them. It's in all living things, whether they live at the bottom of the ocean or the driest desert. Water made life possible on Earth. Because of this, scientists who search for life on other planets think our best bet for finding life is the search for water. Isn't that amazing? Okay, just remember the link below is to print out your worksheet. Is my dinos ready? Okay, you got this. Now grab your favorite color crayon, and what do we do first? That's right, write our names. Are you ready, dinos? Your letters are getting so straight. I'm so proud of you for staying inside the lines. Now let's read the directions. Practice tracing the rectangle. Let's read it one more time. Practice tracing the triangle. Today we are going to trace Mr. Triangle. It's 4 corners. Just follow the dotted lines. Right, down, left, and up. All directions. Let's try it again. Great job. Now on to the next one. Remember, any color you like. I'm choosing pink. Right, down, left, up. Great job. I'm going for green next. Ready? Right, down, left, up. Now can I hear you say it? Great job. Now do it one more time. You got this, dinos. Now that we're done, let's read the next direction. Draw something using the shape above. So we're going to draw something using the shape above, which is a rectangle. First, I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to lay it to the side. Can anyone guess what I'm drawing? It's the color green, and you could buy a lot of things with this, or put it into a savings account. That's the best way to do it. This way, when you go to college one day, you'll have enough. Can anyone guess? Okay, let's draw some more. It seems as though all 4 corners have a number. A circle in the middle. Can anyone guess yet? It seems like Sharky Shark is the president of this drawing. Can you guess yet? It's green, it has 4 numbers on each side, and it has a President Sharky Shark on it. Can anyone guess? That's right, it's money! It's the dollar bill. Normally it wouldn't have Sharky Shark on it. Now let's color in our rectangles. The first one is orange. The next rectangle I colored was blue. Then pink, the color of Miss Peggy Pig. The next one is green. I'm going to grab my green crayon. Then purple. More like a violet. Last but not least, Mr. Red Triangle. Can we bring Mr. Triangle to life? Let's color him first. Now Mr. Triangle needs his arms and legs. He needs his legs so he can run across the screen. Oh, there he is. Hi, Mr. Rectangle. Great job, Dinos. I'm so proud of you all. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye, my Dinos. I'll miss you. See you next time.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!